Art Gallery. Diego Rivera, 1886 to 1957. He created huge murals or wall paintings based on the history and everyday life of Mexico. His most famous murals are in the National Palace in Mexico City. Georgia O'Keeffe, 1887. She is an American-made big paintings of plants and buildings. She also painted the strong colors and strong shapes of the desert landscape, including rocks and animal bones. Rembrandt van Rijn, 1606 to 1669. He was Amsterdam's leading painter. He died poor but famous. He is remembered for his series of powerful self-portraits. Francisco de Goya, 1746 to 1828. He is the Spanish painter. Goya is well known for his portraits of the Spanish royal family and his pictures of the cruelty of war. Besides being a great sculptor, painter, architect, and author of over 300 poems, Michelangelo designed a fort that could resist attack from cannon fire. Kids, come on, let's find out about our dance and music culture. Krishna Ras Leela is the main theme of this dance performed in May or June, Manipuri, one of the major Indian classical dance forms. It originates from Manipur. Movements of the body and feet and facial expressions in Manipuri dance are subtle and aim at devotion and grace. Dance Lazim is from which state? Maharashtra. A folk dance from the state of Maharashtra. Dancers carry a small musical instrument with jingling cymbals called the lazim, after which the dance form is named. The dance is frequently used as a fitness drill by school, militaries, and other institutions because it involves many calisthenic moves and can be quite strenuous. What is the folk dance of Mizoram, performed between bamboo poles, known as Chirra? The most popular dance of the Mizos. Chirra is usually performed on the occasion of Boza Ai, bumper harvest of an individual family. It is not a community dance, but in marriage ceremonies and other merry-makings to celebrate success. Gongs and drums are used to accompany the dance. Gotipua is a tradition in which young boys perform in female garb. Name the classical dance form with which it is associated. One of the 8 classical dance forms of India. It originates from the state of Orissa. The emergence of Gotipuas is that Vaishnavas did not approve of dancing by women. Gotipuas were young boys dressed as girls and taught the dance by the Maharis. Rangoli, Bhogali, and Kati are variation of which dance form of Northeast? Bihu, a folk dance from Assam related to the festival of Bihu. Dance is performed in conjunction with traditional Bihu folk music played with the dhol, similar to a drum, the mohar singot pepa, a pipe instrument made from a buffalo horn, the tala, a cymbal, the gogana, a reed and bamboo instrument, and the toka, a bamboo clapper. Hey kids, come on, let us identify these famous musicians and name the instruments they play. N. Rajam, violin. Dr. N. Rajam is an Indian violinist who performs Hindustani classical music. She received the prestigious titles of Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from the Government of India. People often refer to her music as the singing violin. Vishwa Mohan Bhatt, Mohan Veena, an Indian slide guitar player. Bhatt is the creator of the Mohan Veena. He performs Hindustani classical music and won a Germany Award in 1994. He received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1998 and the Padma Shri in 2002. Manik Munde, Pakhawaj. The Pakhawaj, also called Mardal or Mardala, is an Indian barrel-shaped, two-headed drum, the North Indian equivalent to the southern Mridangam. The Pakhawaj has a low, mellow tone, very rich in harmonics, and a very famous musical instrument in Maharashtra. S. Balchandar. Veena, an Indian self-taught Veena player. Balchandar was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1982. Without a tutor or master to guide him, within 2 years, he was an established concert Veena player. He is also known for his work in cinema, his writing and his polemics. Ustad Abdul Karim Khan. Sarangi, an Indian classical singer of the Kirana Gharana. Apart from vocals and sarangi, he also learnt veena, been, sitar and tabla. The sarangi is a bowed, short-necked lute of the Indian subcontinent. It is an important bowed string instrument of India's Hindustani classical music tradition. Kids, come on, let us recognize these artists who paint, dance and play music. Amrita Shergill, painter. She is an eminent Indian painter, sometimes known as India's Frida Kahlo, and today considered an important woman painter of 20th century India, whose legacy stands at par with that of the masters of Bengal Renaissance. She is also the most expensive woman painter of India. Jatin Das, painter. He is an Indian painter and sculptor. Jatin Das is at his artistic best depicting man-woman relationship. His human forms have a vibrant energy and an abundance of emotion. An assiduously inventive artist of human in motion, he is also a poet. Protima Bedi, dancer. She is an Indian model turned exponent of classical Indian dance, Odissi, who in 1990 established Nrityagram, a dance village near Bangalore. Her eventual transition into a sannyasin towards the end of her life, when she retired from public life and wanted to explore the Himalayas. Raja Ravi Verma, painter, an Indian painter from the princely state of Travancore, who achieved recognition for his depiction of scenes from the epics of Mahabharata and Ramayana. His paintings are considered to be among the best examples of the fusion of Indian traditions with the techniques of European academic art. Sitara Devi, dancer, an eminent Indian dancer of the classical Kathak style of dancing. Rabindranath Tagore, after watching her performance by her described as Nritya Samragini, meaning the Empress of Dance. The epithet continues and she is still described as the Kathak Queen. B.V. Karnath, musician. He was a renowned film and theatre personality from India. Throughout his life, he was director, actor and musician of modern Indian theatre and one of the pioneers of Kannada and Hindi New Wave cinema. The Government of India honoured him with Padma Shri. Giotto, Italian. The artist's full name was Giotto di Bondone, an Italian painter and architect from Florence in the late Middle Ages. Giotto was recognized as the first genius of the art in the Italian Renaissance. Leonardo da Vinci, an Italian polymath, scientist, mathematician, engineer, inventor, anatomist, painter, sculptor, architect, botanist, musician, and writer. He is described as the archetype of the Renaissance man, whose unquenchable curiosity was equaled only by his power of invention. Michelangelo, an Italian Renaissance painter, sculptor, architect, poet, and engineer. The enmity between him and Leonardo da Vinci is famous. He is one of the greatest artists of all time, a man whose name has become synonymous with the word masterpiece. Michelangelo Buonarroti. El Greco, Spanish, Cretan-born painter, sculptor, and architect. El Greco is regarded as the first great genius of the Spanish school. El Greco was a nickname, a reference to his Greek origin. He normally signed his painting with his full birth name in Greek letter. John Constable, English, an English romantic painter. He is known principally for his landscape paintings of Dedham Vale, the area surrounding his home, now known as Constable Country. He is best known for his paintings of the English countryside. Let us recognize what these instruments are. Pakhwaj, an Indian barrel-shaped two-headed drum, the North Indian equivalent to the Southern Ridingham. Scottish bagpipes. Bagpipes are a class of musical instrument. Aerophones used enclosed reeds fed from a constant reservoir of air in the form of a bag. Korean Kayagam. The Gayagam or Kayagam is a traditional Korean zither-like string instrument with 12 strings. Although more recently, variants have been constructed with 21 or other number of strings. It is probably the best known traditional Korean musical instrument. Iktara, one string, also called Iktara, is a one-string instrument used in Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan. The Iktara usually has a stretched single string, an animal skin over a head made of dried pumpkin, gourd, wood, or coconut, and pole neck or split bamboo cane neck. Ethiopian bowl lyre. It's a stringed musical instrument having a yoke or two arms and a crossbar projecting out from and level with the body. The strings run from a tailpiece on the bottom or front of the instrument to the crossbar. Kids, I will let you know some facts about the art. Barque sculpture is a dramatic and decorative style of art and architecture that began in Italy in the 1600s. Many Baroque sculptures are used to decorate churches. Pablo Picasso, the Spanish artist, is one of the most famous modern artists. He developed a new style of painting called Cubism between 1904 and 1914. Cubist paintings show figures and objects broken up into shapes and rearranged like the pieces of crazy puzzle. Ajanta caves in Maharashtra are regarded as India's artistic treasures. They house paintings of Buddhist monks belonging to 200 BC to AD 600. 66 kilometers away from Ajanta caves stand the Ellora caves, which comprise beautifully carved temples.